Welcome back. Today, we're checking out some powerful tools and must-have gear. Let's get starting. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Drill and Impact Driver Kit. If you want a dependable starter setup, the DEWALT DCK240C2 is a practical two-tool combo. You get a 20V Max half-an-inch drill/driver and a compact 1/4-inch impact driver, along with 2 batteries, a charger, and a contractor bag. The drill is designed for everyday drilling and fastening, while the impact driver's one-handed hex chuck makes bit changes quick. Compact designs also make both tools comfortable for working in tighter spaces. Number 2. CCCEI Wall Mount Tool Organizer. Next up is the CCCEI Wall Mount Modular Tool Organizer, a smart choice if your garage or workshop is getting cluttered. Its multi-level design gives your cordless tools a dedicated home while helping keep batteries and accessories organized. CCCEI's wall-mounted organizers are designed around space-saving storage and charging, making it easier to keep frequently used tools visible and ready to grab. Instead of leaving drills scattered across a workbench, this type of organizer helps turn your wall into useful storage space. Number 3. DEWALT 21-Piece Drill Bit Set. For drilling jobs, the DEWALT DWA1181 brings 21 high-speed steel bits in a convenient assortment. The black and gold coating is designed to help resist rust and wear, while the 135-degree split-point tip helps reduce walking when you start drilling. The tapered web design adds durability, and 3 flat shanks on larger sizes help reduce spinning in the chuck. With sizes for applications involving materials like wood, plastic, and metal, this is a useful upgrade for any general-purpose toolbox. Number 4. DEWALT 40-Piece FLEXTORQ Bit Set. If fastening is your priority, check out the DEWALT DWA2T40IR 40-Piece FLEXTORQ set. These impact-ready bits are designed for demanding applications, with a FLEXTORQ zone that helps transfer torque while improving durability. The CNC machine tips are designed for a precise fit, helping reduce cam-out under pressure. You also get an assortment of screw bits, nut drivers, adapters, and magnetic accessories, all organized in a compact Toughcase Plus system. It's a versatile set for DIY repairs, construction, furniture assembly, and everyday workshop jobs. Number 5. Amazon Basics 42-Piece Impact Bit Set. The Amazon Basics 42-Piece Impact Screwdriver Bit Set is a handy choice for DIY projects, repairs, and everyday workshop tasks. It includes a variety of Phillips, slotted, and Torx bits, with both standard and longer bits for added flexibility. The Impact Tough design is built to handle high-torque impact drivers, while the engineered tips are designed for strength and durability. You also get a magnetic bit holder, socket adapter, and a portable storage case that keeps everything organized and easy to carry. That's it for today. Like, subscribe, comment, and turn on notifications for more reviews. Thanks for watching.